Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel if you have not yet done that. Now let's see what we'll be expecting on our gold for the day. So I told you guys that gold has given us this bearish move, right? We should be expecting a pullback. We did the analysis yesterday if you guys were following. I told you that we would expect a pullback and then another drop. And this is exactly what gold did. Gold gave us a pullback and it gave us a drop. Remember, we've been predicting this movement since when markets eventually dropped to break this neckline. When markets dropped and broke this neckline, we were predicting that movement and market has been selling, right? So we will be expecting also. This is one of the reasons why if you would want to learn how to trade properly, you do not understand how to trade gold, you will be taught on how to trade gold. Also, you'll be taught on how to trade Nasdaq 100. You'll also be taught on how to trade the BTI crude oil. You'd also be taught on how to trade other commodities like WTI, silver, gold. You'd also be looking at the currencies. You would also be looking at indices like USD, right? So you would want to learn how to trade properly. So this is one of the reasons why you should subscribe to the mentorship, which you will find the link in the comment section. When you go to the comment section, you will see the link to the mentorship program. Click on the link, subscribe, and you will get everything you need. You will be mentored properly, you will be taught properly. So learn how to trade properly by clicking on the link to the mentorship. You will find it in the comment section. So let's see what to be expecting next. These are movements. Now that we've gotten that low, market has given us this pullback. Our next movement on gold again is another low. Remember, we were once in an uptrend move. Gold was once in an uptrend move. Right now, gold is trending down. Reason is that when you take a look at this, this is what your reversal pattern, which is let's touch. Markets drop. Markets came back to retest it. The market has now dropped. So with this pullback, market dropped. Markets came back to the test, giving you an equal high. Now we are now seeing the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Our next movement on gold will be a lower low. So we should be expecting a new drop on gold, by the way. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So since there's a multiple rejection here that made markets drop, so let's see if it will continue to drop. Learn how to trade gold properly and analyze properly by joining the mentorship. You'll find a link to the mentorship in the comment section.